Omaha, Nebraska is experiencing its first winter snowstorm of the season, just days after Thanksgiving was celebrated across cities in the United States of America. The snowfall marks the official arrival of winter conditions in the region, with residents waking up to snow-covered roads and sidewalks and neighborhoods. Local authorities are urging drivers to use cautions as temperatures drop and icy conditions develop. For many families in Omaha, including the South Sudanese and immigrants communities, the snowstorms comes as a seasonal shift following a week of gathering, travel, and Thanksgiving celebrations. Weather officials say more cold temperatures are expected in the coming days, reminding residents to prepare for winter driving and stay warm. This news is brought to you by 211 Radio.